Hello friends, and welcome to my channel Power of Spirituality. Awareness is the key to enlightenment, and in this video we are going to discuss a very interesting technique that can help you achieve awareness without putting extra efforts. You heard it right. No need to meditate, no need to read long books, no need to go to any institution for enlightenment. Just use this technique and you will be one step closer to enlightenment. My name is Ankit Verma, and since my recovery from brain tumor 3 years ago, I am on a spiritual path. And my motto behind making this channel is to convey my learnings to everyone on this path so that they can also benefit from the same. We all enjoy watching cinemas, right? We also watch TVs and we enjoy that a lot. We sometimes get so much immersed in the movie or something that is going on in the TV that we start relating to it. We cry when the hero dies. We laugh when the villain is defeated. We feel love when there is a romantic scene going on. We go through all these emotions. But try to remember one thing. Once the movie is over, or the serial or whatever documentary is going on in the TV is ended, what are your emotions after that? Do you still feel connected after the event is over? No, right? Not to that extent. The real reason behind this is that we know that whatever is going on in the big screen, on the small screen on TV is not real. And we are just here to observe whatever is going on in that scene. And once the movie or the documentary or the TV serial is over, our role as observers is over. Now suppose you have no idea that whatever was shown on TV or screen is not real. Then you will stay connected to it even though the event is gone. You will still feel it is happening to you. You will feel the emotions that arise out of it. You will never be able to detach yourself from that event. Real life is just like that. Whatever is happening in our life, every spiritual person knows that this is not the reality. The reality is beyond that. But we get so immersed in whatever our five senses are telling us that we start believing it is true, and then we lose our awareness. Once awareness is gone, enlightenment is also not going to happen. The technique that we are going to discuss in this video is based on this concept only, that whatever your five senses are telling you, it is just an illusion and the real world is far more greater than that. So let's take an example. Suppose you have set up a meeting with your loved one, maybe your girlfriend or boyfriend, at 5 p.m. tonight at a very luxurious hotel by the poolside with great ambience. Now you are there on time. In fact, you reach before 5 o'clock and you choose to sit quietly. It's 10 past 5 and the person who was supposed to meet you still haven't arrived. What will be your reaction? The phone is also not reachable. You will feel angry, frustrated. Lot of thoughts will start coming to your mind. For example, can't that person just message me or inform me that I'm getting late? Has there been an accident? If the person forget about this meeting, a lot of negative thoughts will come. Now let's say it's 5:50 and the person you were desperate to meet just arrived. What will be your initial reaction? You are already filled with frustration, negativity, and eventually that is also going to come out. Right? The date will be ruined and your chances of a happy relationship are also gone. Now let's look at the same event in a different angle. Same event. You have set up a meeting at 5 o'clock, great hotel, great ambience, great food, poolside, everything same. The person is late. It's 5:10 right now. The person is late. But you are aware that present moment is more important. So what you are doing? You are just sitting, looking around, enjoying the ambience. You are having fun, right? And the person arrives at 5:50. You are in a happy mood. And overall the date went happily. You both are happy. And it is going to be a memorable experience. Now how did you achieve that? The trick is to visualize that this is not happening in real. In fact, this is happening on a TV in front of you. So the whole scene, you visualize that it is happening far from you and you are the observer of this scene. You can see that there is a great ambience, the cool air is blowing, the food is good, poolside, great ambience, everything is good, right? You are also going to enjoy the person coming and meeting you even though he or she was 15 minutes late. The trick is to visualize that everything is happening on the TV so that you don't feel connected to it. You still have some place to detach yourself and move on with the rest of your life. Try this technique for a week and let me know your feedback. My aim is to change 100 lives this year, and you can be a part of mission by sharing this video with everyone whom you think can benefit from it. Also, please leave your queries, suggestions, feedback in the comment section below and I would love to answer them for you. Please also subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so you stay updated of any upcoming videos on this channel. With this, I come to an end of this video. Thank you for taking this journey with me. May you have all the peace, love, happiness and abundance in life.